I'm gonna be speaking Patois for the entire video. So here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And we just kick off the Patois right away. Anyway guys, so right now about 3 o'clock in the evening. You know already, me a big chef, so me can't really use no spoon in a pot. Me have to just saute it just like this. You see me? People, this is a Julie mango. A real Jamaican Julie mango. I mean, I tell you. Me slap down about 2 from morning. So I just come and join on Finch Mall today. I want to grab a few things and also I just want to touch the road, you see me? So basically I just this. This is what I wear today. Hot girl, as usual. Today I'm gonna be speaking Patois for the entire video, so I know you guys love that other video because I see how many views I got, so I'm gonna be doing that same thing again. When I can't say nothing about my Patois today because yo, I done a practice already over talk Patois on camera, so like yo, my thing bad, my thing shot. So right now I'm in my backyard. I wake up from morning, but I did edit that video there and I done post it already, so that out of the way. So I get up this morning, nice, we see how the sun shine nice out the door, and I come out here so come water and I plant them. This is my little baby, you know, my little cactus plant. Him in the water him this morning because he need to get the more sun, you see me? So him can go and stay right there, so in the sun. This is our next little cactus plant too, what I have. This is my tomato tree. Yeah. So I just put that sticker in there so that it can grow to its full potential. So then you don't know already. If you know, you know. If you don't know, boy, you just don't know. So basically, this is my backyard. Well nice and trimmed down. I have some this apple tree. See apple them are grow there. This is apple. This is our next apple tree again. Next apple tree again. And this is my garden. So I have more tomato tree right there, so. See the carrot them. So I literally just water the garden, so the soil still wet and nice. See? Soil wet and nice said way. So I have some this are the carrot tree right there, so. Carrot them are grow up nice. I have some kale over here, so this is the kale tree. And I have some corn tree already I grow up. Never plant this, but it grow. So this blackberry, a blackberry, yeah, blackberry tree. See it there? I have to taste it. I'm gonna see. So a little blackberry. Not as sweet as I thought, but them are gone. Them are gone. So yeah. Backyard look nice, man. Backyard nice, man. Yeah guys, so right now the sun hot, but I want to stay out here for a minute and chat to you guys. I want to stay out here for a little minute, so I find a little cool, little shady behind the fence. Because we have a little mango I want to slap down and chat to you a little bit, so. People, this is a Julie mango. A real Jamaican Julie mango. I mean, I tell you. I slap down about 2 from morning. That's why I have to come out here so I can eat that mango here. I can't eat this in our house. The mango nice and cool. So yesterday, me have on the makeup, right? So I say, "True, me don't want to mess up my makeup. I couldn't get to eat my mango yesterday." I'm saying, I say, "Yeah, makeup gone." So I wax it today. The mango here tastes good. See all the juice running down? One thing, these mangoes, them mango are expensive in Canada. I remember back in Jamaica, I have like 2 of them mango tree in my yard, and we just go up in a mango tree, sit down and eat and slap down like all 10 mango for the day. Come down back belly full, and you're good to go. Right now, one of them mango here, I feel about, maybe I go spend about $3 to get one mango. $6.99 for a pound. And the mango here about half pound. I have to eat my money's worth, all the skin. Tastes good, man. So basically, after I done eat this, I go back in the kitchen because I cook some oxtail. Oxtail and fry. Well, the oxtail for dinner. It's basically almost dinner time, you know, because at 3 o'clock now, I kind of start the vlog late because I edit. About 3 o'clock right now. Guys, I have 2 more days left for my birthday, you know. Wednesday my birthday, you know, and today Monday, you know. I'm happy and excited, man. One more year. One more year. You know it. One day I look back on me. Me in one group with all of my high school classmates them and something. And then they send one picture circle everybody were dead, we pass away. A whole heap of my classmates them pass away, you know. Enough of them not live to see that age, yeah. And it's sad. It's sad. But we're just glad for one more year, you know. Live life and just celebrate and try live the best life we can. Because life rough and life tough. The mango here tastes really good, man. I know some people when they eat mango, they cut mango. Look like they might do some farm of construction over there. So one thing with Canada, as soon as summer come, everybody start do construction because true, when the place cold, nobody can do that in the cold, right? So as soon as summer comes, see them over there, so like them a build up one step. You see them bees there? One of them I seen in my room, all because I left the door open by mistake. I deal with them, you see? I still stand up and sit and show you over there so where them do the construction. Over my neighbor yard pretty. Over there full of bare plants. I wish my garden did look like fair garden, but I see true me not buy house. True me not own the house. Can't do like she cause a fair house. But anytime I buy a house, man, and so me I do like fair shit. I'm sure you. Now come up and go. over my neighbor yard.
Reach up this now.
So over the table sturdy man. At my neighbor yard. I call her Oli because she's too miserable man. All over Oli yard look nice man. See her farm well nice. Look at my little farm compared to your nice big farm over there. The people all this are hung out. Can't even get to see the construction good. Hey man, how am I gonna come down now? How am I gonna get down? Yep. Yeah man, this was a very good mango. And if the mango seed don't look like this or worse than this, that means you're not done eat the mango yet. And I go in here now and go check on the pot. I'm left them in there, so look on the pot for me. Ooh, what a door hot man. Now show them say I saw you have to eat the mango. You see me? Like this. Then you dash that way. Oh, thanks for done fry that for me. Oxtail a bubble, so right now I'm gonna just continue doing I have them egg here. I feel like I want to make some mashed potato with them. Not mashed potato, potato salad. So I just make gonna go and watch me in the kitchen a little bit, and then yeah, we'll see how the day go. You see me?
A few moments later.
You ordered? What did you order? Guys, every day, let me pause the music, y'all. Every day is a next package. I don't know what I want. I don't understand. Every day, delivery man a carry a package. I don't understand where them package there. I offer package all of them things, and she run gone down in her room with it, but I don't mind. I see my name on it, you know. I see my name on it. But it's okay. I not say nothing. Guys, I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm doing something. So I had some boiled egg in the fridge from yesterday. So I just cut up the egg, cut up some scotch bonnet pepper, some bell pepper, tomato, scallion and thyme, and then I have this. So I don't know what I'm just using my hand to make fashion right now. You see me? So this is what I'm doing. I'll show you how it turned out. And then this is what I used to make the saltfish fritters. I've never tried this before, but I saw it. I'm like, let me just try it and see what is what. So I tried this. It don't taste too bad, but it would be nicer if I had done my own from scratch. But nothing is wrong with trying new things. And then this thing now, I'm gonna match it up and see how it turned out. I've never done this before, but maybe it will turn out nice. So let's see. Oh, I forgot to say a part of me attack. So I have my oil over here, so basically have them in a pot now. I go and saute. So you know already, me are a big chef. So I can't use no, you know already, me a big chef. So I can't really use a spoon in a pot. I have to just saute it just like this. You see me? Because who got time for spoon and fork when you can do this? Simple beats, you know? So I'm just make that go and saute it down and cook up. So my oxtail over here start bubble, and me cook up whatever, I don't know what to call this. Tuna and egg. Hold on, I need to take this out. You want to put on the rice in my shop? Guys, may I get help with the rice? Is it me? So we can go and focus on this here.
How much rice have you done this?
About 2 cups. Okay, guys, so this is what we have right now. The tuna. This better taste good enough. So we have the tuna and everything. I'm going to season it up right now. Oxtail a bubble. Bubble pata bubble. Bubble pata bubble. You see me? So this is what I got.
You know what you should do?
Mm-hmm.
Scrape the other coconut out into this big jar.
And you want me to get it done faster? No man, make it stand. Make it stay like that. So I tell her there's a talk. I'm gonna taste it, guys. Not bad at all. Now look, mix up something there. Not bad at all. It tastes good. So nice little blend.
A few moments later.
No don't know say a Jane and Finch mall the thing there. So I just come at Jane and Finch mall today. I want to grab a few things and also I just want to touch the road, isn't me? So basically I just this. This is what I wear today at Gal as usual. So let me go look for the dollar store. Come to Jane and Finch Mall. Mall in the ghetto. You see me? You see it? It's a mall, man. This is what I like about summertime, you know. Right now at 7:30 p.m. and look, it's still bright outside. And that I like about summer, man. So, you know, I have my summer body. Birthday body ready. Oh, and I feel like I'm gonna start doing this. I feel like I'm gonna start doing that little ring something here. That ring something here, I feel like it's cute for me. You know, make me look more girly. You see me? What you think? Tell me what you think. And I like my little strap round bag to go on with a little thing. You know? To go on with a little. So just tell me, just let me know, man. Just let me know. But right now, I'm there at Jane and Finch said way. I'm going to go over the liquor store to see if I can go buy some more liquor. Shucks, or you walk well left me now. She all have earphone in her ears. Shucks, or you walk well left me now.
Because you took forever. Do you know how long I've been waiting here? I'm like, geez.
So guys, I just came off the road. See, I'm still dressed. Don't mind my background. This room is a mess and I need to clean it up. Oh, I literally just got this table. Let me show you. So I just got these stuff for my office space and it's looking a bit nicer, but it's not done yet. I still have a lot of work because I need to do something with this wall. It's too empty, you know. I need to do something with it. The room is a mess because I just pull everything out the box and everything is just there. All my ring lights, everything is there. So the room is a mess. I'm gonna be cleaning it up. Maybe tomorrow I'll try to organize it a little bit better. Guys, I'm a bit tired, man. So right now I'm gonna hold a fresh. Oh shoot, I forgot that I am doing patois. All right. So right now, guys, I'm gonna hold a fresh, but I feel like I'm gonna end the video because no, I have to do everything back in a patois again. Can't bother, man. I'm not bother do not everything in a patois. I'm gonna just leave it that way it is. But right now, guys, I just feel tired. Just come off of the road about 8:20 now or so, and girl, your girl still look pretty and cute. We just go up on the road for go buy some liquor. Because you don't know, say, I'm a birthday. I'm gonna keep a birthday party. I never tell you about the party yet because I want to keep it a surprise. So I keep a little birthday party. So I'm gonna get some Ryan nephew rum because I'm gonna make a rum punch. So yeah, 2 days away from my birthday. Like literally 2 days, and I'm excited, I'm excited, and all heap of people are showing me all heap of love and support, and I appreciate that. Can't believe all the love so strong. You see me? So, me there still. Guys, me get a little cute chain from Shein, Shein a go on with the things. Me show no better because I want to see that chain is nice. Cute. And them little ring here, a Shein me buy them off her. The little bangle here, a Shein me buy that off her. The next little bangle here, a Shein me buy that off her. Shein I go and do the do, man. So I'm here. I'm feeling so happy. I feel so happy. I feel happy, man. My earth strong because so I feel like I go live for my birthday. I go live for my birthday and just chat we do know a little bit, and reason we do know all a vibe and go on all a vibe we do know. I feel like I go do that for my birthday. But I don't know what them people have planned for me still, my family them. I don't know my family them have planned for me. So depends on what them have planned. Let's see if so me can do the live. But let's see. Alright, man, guys, so this is how me I go end the video today. Basically, what me I go do after this is just go bed and eat some food. Because remember me tell you say me cook the oxtail and rice earlier today. But me don't cook that, and me just go up on the road and say when I come back me eat. So basically me I go just eat right now. No, bed first, then go eat, and more than likely me and my family just go sit down and watch some TV and just end it off for the night. You see me? But I just want to end it off for the night from now. So I don't forget about it, because it's easy. If I forget say I vlog. Imagine me then so the whole time I talk in a proper English and no remember say a part of me I do the thing, Anyway, so I go all fresh. I hope you like the video them so far. Give the video a like. Share up the video them, man. Help me reach to my goal when I want to reach to get the monetization. You see me? Thanks, man, and have a good day. And thanks for the support always. Alright? 2 days to go for my birthday. I'm going to see you tomorrow. Alright? Bye.